We are here in Minden in our brand new calibration center for high accuracy calibration of our flow meters. My name is Florian and I am the production supervisor. We calibrate here different types of flow meters, including our precisest one, the CoriolisMaster flow meter. To ensure the highest accuracy and traceability for our customers, we calibrate every ABB flow meter here in Minden. Now, let's have a closer look to it. So, for our calibration, we basically pump water in a circle and compare the flow rate of the meter under test with a reference. So how do we do it? At my right side, you see this big blue water tank with 150,000 liters of water. From there, we pump the water through the pipes to the meter under test, further through the master meter, then further on top of the rig to the diverter, and there we decide if there is a master meter calibration for the standard accuracies. The water goes back directly to the tank, or if we have high accuracies, then the diverter puts the water directly in the big weigh scale tank and we're weighing the water. And after the calibration, the water flows back to the water tank. Now let's have a closer look to it. Hi Christopher.
Hi.
Can you just tell us something about the technique of the pump and the water tank?
Hi, my name is Christopher. I'm working for ABB for around 6.5 years now, and I'm in the calibration section for the last 2.5 years. My job here is the maintenance of the calibration rigs, pairing cables, changing valves, and basically everything that happens around here.
So here we have our water tank, which contains 150 cubic meters of water. And here we have our big pump, which allows us to fill a bathtub in a second.
Okay, do you remember last Christmas where we had such a problem with the temperature of the water?
That was also due to our pump, which heats up the water faster than we expected. So we installed a bigger cooling system, and now we can ensure the perfect temperature for our calibration.
But now let's have a closer look to the meter on the test. So Christopher, the water comes from the top through the pipes, right?
Exactly.
Okay, and then here we have the meter on the test.
We have to be done a test where the water runs through.
Okay.
And then it goes to the master meter section.
Okay, I see here 3 different lines. Can you explain me why?
Of course. So we have 3 different master meters, those different sizes, this one, the smaller one, and the bigger one. With those, we can actually assure the quality of the flow points, and we have the accuracy depending on the flow rate in the test meter. With the valves, we can actually direct the flow through the different master meters. So the water comes from the test meter, goes through this valve, into this master meter, and back to the tank.
Okay, so these master meters are only used for standard calibration, right?
Exactly.
And for the higher accuracy, we have the weigh scale tank.
Yes, we have one. It's right in the back there.
For accuracies up to 0.4%, we have a so-called master calibration, where we refer to a master meter with our meter under test. We have a calibration of our CoriolisMaster meter against a water weigh scale tank.
Water comes out of the master meters, goes up this pipe, along the calibration rig, and all the way up to the top of the tower. When the water reaches the top of the tower, we actually get it to the diverter. The diverter directs flow between main tank and the weigh scale tank. This switch of flow can happen in a few milliseconds, which helps us to have a precise starting point of the measurement and an ending point.
For some of my colleagues, it is scary to get up there, but for me, it's just everyday business.
This big gray weigh scale tank basically sits on top of a normal scale that you know from at home. So we have the scale, which has to hold up to 10 tons to make sure that we keep our feet dry when we have 7 tons per minute flowing in there.
Okay, and after the calibration process, the water flows again back to the water tank?
Yes. So we can see a small pipe connecting the weigh scale tank with the main tank, and through that we can put the water back into the main tank.
So we finished our tour through the new calibration rig here at ABB in Minden. Christopher, thank you for your technical support.
You're welcome. I hope I could answer all your questions and clarify some of the processes.
Thank you for watching us. See you soon.